What's up everyone, I'm Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a beginner's guitar tutorial off of Taylor Swift's album Lover. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince. I believe that the key that it's played in is the capo on the 2nd fret, but I'm going to put the capo on the 4th fret because it fits with my voice better. So yeah, you can just play around with that, whatever works for you. And in the description box below, I'll have all the timestamps for the guitar, chords, the strumming pattern, the chord progression, all that kind of stuff, so check that out. So if you want to learn how to play Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince by Taylor Swift, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in here now and show you the chords. Alright, so you're going to need to know 4 chords for this song. First is A minor. Next is G. Next is F. And last is C. So now that you know the chords, for the strumming pattern for this song, I've kept it quite simple to all down strums, just for the beginners, if that's easier for you. When I do my play along, I add in an up strum, but it's completely up to you if you want to do that, or make it more complex, or just keep it simple with down strums. So now that you know the chords and the strumming pattern, I'm gonna show you the chord progression. So there's 2 chord progressions in this song. First is for the verse and the chorus, and the second chord progression is for the pre-chorus. So I'll zoom in here and show you the chord progression for the verse and the chorus. So the chord progression for the verse and the chorus is very simple. It just involves 3 chords, A minor, G, and F, and the pattern it will go in is just like that. A minor, G, F, and then back to G. So if I put it together, this is what it would look like. And that's what the chord progression looks like for the verse and the chorus. So now you know the chord progression for the verse and the chorus. I'll zoom in here and show you the chord progression for the pre-chorus. So the chord progression for the pre-chorus involves 4 chords, A minor, G, F, and C. So the order it will go in is A minor, F, C, and G. So if we put it together with the strumming and the counts, this is what it would sound like. F, C, G. And then you would go into the same chord progression for the verse and the chorus. So that is the chord progression for the pre-chorus. Alright guys, so now that you know all the chords, strumming pattern, and the chord progression, now I'm going to put it all together and do the play along. So I'm going to play this song and you can play along, and I'll have the chords up on the screen, and feel free to pause the video at any time to learn the chords better and look at the description box below for the chords or anything like that. So yeah, let's get into the play along. You know I told you I'm crazy for you, that I was a 16, lost in the film scene, waving the crown queens, marching band playing, I'm lost in the lights. American glory faded before me, now I'm feeling hopeless, ripped up my prom dress, running through those stones, I saw the scoreboard and ran from the light. No cameras catch my pageant smile, I counted days, I counted miles, to see you there, to see you there. guys, so that was my beginner's guitar tutorial for Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince by Taylor Swift. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then click that subscribe button. And stay tuned for next week when I'll be doing another song off of Taylor Swift's album Lover. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.